there, Jason Hubbard Loyalty Home Group, brokered by eXp Realty. Welcome back to my channel here today. Today we're out at Legado again, Taylor Morrison community, and we're going to be looking at the Summit Collection, which is one of 4 collections they have out here at Legado. Inside of the Summit Collection, we're going to be looking at the Palisade floor plan. This Palisade floor plan is going to be the largest model inside of the Palisade, or inside of this Summit Collection, and it's 3,721 square feet. This is going to be a 1-story home with up to 5 bedrooms, up to 4.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. Let's go ahead, go inside of the Palisade floor plan and take a look. Okay, as we step inside to the Palisade floor plan, with their floor plans, nice and open, high ceilings, beautiful upgrades inside of their models. Of course, again, mentioning that it is a model home, so we do expect a lot of upgrades in the model that may not translate into what you actually purchase. But man, they sure are fun to look at and fun to dream about. I know me and my wife come through these models all the time, just looking for ideas on how to update our home. Anyways, as you walk in through the hallway here, you walk right into the living room area. Nice and open, like I said. These have the upgraded ceiling trays, surround sound inside of here. Nice dining area / breakfast nook with its sliding glass door that goes out to the good size lot. These Summit collections have, they're the 2nd largest collection out here at Legado, other than the Capstone collection. So these are going to have larger lots and just pretty nice big floor plans. Notice the size of this island and the upgrades in this kitchen. The chef kitchen with the range and the gas stove and the backsplash and the upgraded countertops, the built-in refrigerator, the double oven, the pendant lights. This floor plan here has it all. Okay, as we head into the back, we're in the guest bedroom here that has its own bathroom, or its own walk-in closet, which is right outside of a bathroom here. You head right back through the kitchen. We're gonna have a game area / dining area / flex room. Whatever you want to use this room for, there's multiple purposes. And then this door here going into a 3-car tandem garage. And back at the front of the house here, you have a den. This particular model has all these custom built-ins, which I'm sure are extra to add in. Okay, let's head back and go check out the guest bathroom here. It's a half bathroom right off the living room. And then we'll head over to the master bedroom. Nice big master bedroom. Plenty of room here, has its own exit out to the backyard. Separate tub, walk-in shower, dual sinks. Water closet here, and then this closet here. Of course, a big closet. You can tell a little bit more from this angle. Okay, back to the front wing of the house. As you come in the front door here, this laundry room is right off to the right. Massive laundry room. And over here where we keep all the kiddos, you got your teen room. This one with some beautiful upgrades and ideas for you and your home. For the kids, a good place to do their schoolwork or game away. And this front bedroom here having its own bathroom with its own walk-in closet. This is the suite at the front of the house. Of course, this is where either the in-laws are going or your oldest child, most likely, or whichever child you're going to spoil the most, right? Okay, as we finish up here at the Palisade floor plan in Legado, the Summit Collection by Taylor Morrison Homes out here in Queen Creek, Arizona. Again, this Palisade floor plan, 3,721 square feet, up to 5 bedrooms, up to 4.5 bathrooms, 3-car garage on a good size lot. These out here are also in the low 800,000 starting out. As we sit today, of course, those base prices change all the time. So if you're looking to be in the low 800,000s, I'd call your agent, get out here as soon as possible. The next thing I want to remind you about is when you come to these new builds, you always want to have your real estate agent with you to look at them at least the first time. Then you can come back as many times as you want. Because what you have to remember is the salespeople at the builder sales office, they're not here to represent you. They will write contracts all day for you and they are helpful, but you have to remember at the end of the day, they work for the builder. Their job is to help the builder sell homes and they are working in the best interest of that builder. So why not have a real estate agent on your side to help you negotiate, to help you go through the contract? There's multiple phases throughout the plan where you can use a real estate agent's help, and those salespeople again are there to represent the builder. So again, I'm Jason Hubbard, Loyalty Home Group, brokered by eXp Realty. If you have any comments, if there's any communities you want me to go take a look at, comment down below. I'm happy to answer and go look at those for you. Please like, please subscribe, and please ring that bell so you can see my future videos. I look forward to helping you out, and thank you again for coming to my channel.